Tired of digging through your Coursera dashboard to find your course progress? Here's how to see your learning history in seconds. You've taken the time to enroll in courses, finish assignments, and earn certificates. But when you log in, the default view is a cluttered mess of recommendations and random banners. That's frustrating. So let's fix that right now. First, log into Coursera. Then I'll show you the 2 tabs that organize all your courses. One click separates what you're currently working on from what you've already completed. All right, let's start. Open your browser and head over to Coursera.org. You want the main site, not any special login page, just the standard Coursera homepage. Now, sign into your account. Enter your email and password like you normally would. If you're already logged in, you're ahead of the game. If not, go ahead and get that done real quick. And here's the really important part. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a few different options like Explore or For Enterprise, but the one we need is right there in the middle. It says My Learning. Go ahead and click that. Now this is where everything changes. Instead of seeing a random feed of recommended courses, you land on your personal learning hub. And at the top of this page, there are 2 tabs that act like filters. The first tab is called In Progress. Click on that. This shows you every single course you've started but haven't finished yet. It's a clean list with your progress bars right next to each course title. So if you have 3 courses going at once, you can see instantly which one you're closest to finishing. No more digging through old emails or trying to remember what module you were on. Now, here's where we contrast that with the other half of your learning history. Click on the Completed tab. This flips the view entirely. Now you see every course you've finished. And this is where your certificates live. Each completed course shows up with a clear link to download or view your certificate. So if you're updating your LinkedIn profile or just want to show off what you've learned, it's all right here in one place. From AI mastery, we've seen so many learners build incredible skill sets on Coursera. But if you can't find your progress, that knowledge feels hidden. So now you know exactly where to look. In Progress for what you're actively working on. Completed for everything you finished and earned. And that's it. 2 clicks and you're no longer lost in a crowded dashboard. You have full control over your learning history. Thanks for watching and happy learning.